Assalamualaikum. This is your host Alisha Mukhtar, and today we have our respectable faculty member and mentor with us. I think we have seen him, either we have studied under him or we have seen him performing on the stage, or he is also the driving force behind our department's executive club, and or the society is doing great. We have seen the success and the effort behind it is really appreciated. So, sir, thank you for taking out the time for us. Sir, your expertise in marketing and your dedication in teaching is truly inspiring. So, let's begin with your journey. How did you transition into academia and what inspired you to become a teacher?
First of all, thank you, Alicia, for having me here. Honestly, I have always loved marketing as a student because it gives me the opportunity to be creative. And when I came into teaching, so it turned out that I love teaching as well. So, Alhamdulillah, I'm having a very good time here.
That's fascinating, sir. It's great to hear about your passion for teaching. Okay, let's move on to our next question, sir. What motivated you to take on the role of leading the student week and also being the head of the multiple societies?
Honestly, I have always liked to work in these extracurricular activities. And when I came here, they gave me the responsibility of being the overall in charge of all the societies. So, Alhamdulillah, I'm having a good time and I'm trying to add value to it with time.
We also have heard the stories about your, like, when you were a student and you have also.
Yes, when I was a student, so I was all in the co-curricular activities, either performing arts or you name it, I was there.
That's really impressive, sir. Definitely a role model for students, especially in this generation, where students like to be in their comfort zone, and you are really a perfect example for pushing your limits and achieving so much at such a young age. Thank you for your tips. So, for my next question, what do you enjoy the most about working with the student outside the classroom?
I think the best thing about working with students is that I get that young energy from them because they are younger than me. So when I'm working with them, I feel young. I feel good.
Now, moving on some academic notes. For marketing purpose, how do you think students can better showcase their skills and experiences?
I think two things are very important. The right way to project it. That is the first thing. And the next thing is that you should be aware of the trends. These are the two keywords of being successful in the marketing.
That's a great point, sir. There's a common perception about a university degree that it is not worth the investment, especially when it comes to a BBA degree. So people say that skills are more important and that the 4 year degree is not worth the investment. You can better invest the money. It's basically a waste of time. You can better invest in starting a business. So what do you think? What is your perception on this, and what do you think? What are the skills that student can gain from this 4 year degree? And beside these, what are the skills they should do?
I think it would be totally wrong to say that having a degree is a waste of money and time. But yes, you need skills because those skills would complement your degree. And there is no doubt about the fact that as a student, you need to have the current and the modern skills.
That's great, sir. That's a great perspective. Now shifting the gears a bit, how do you think the students who are performing in student field that add extra value to their personal growth and development beyond just academic knowledge?
Very simple, it takes them out of their comfort zone.
Yeah.
That is their class. Because there is quite a bit of learning that you do outside the class. So that is my answer. It takes you out of your comfort zone.
That's a great point, sir. Sir, can you share a memorable experience from an event that has managed Sir, can you share a memorable experience from event that you managed and that has left a lasting impression on you?
Well, I have taken at least one memorable thing from every event that I have organized. So it would be a bit difficult for me to come up with one, but every event is memorable.
Yes, sir. We have seen your effort behind every event. I know that. We have seen you working. Now let's talk about your marketing background. How has it helped you organizing and promoting event? I mean, marketing is all about creativity and innovation, right? So how do you bring that into your event management?
Well, first of all, I would like to believe that I am a creative person and I have an interest in these things, especially what's going on in the social media right now. I have been using it for quite some time now, and I am aware of the trends and what people are expecting these days, what our newer generation wants. I'm aware of all these things because of social media. So I think that is my edge as compared to anyone else.
Yeah, better use of social media. Okay, sir, for last we will conclude our interview on this question. Finally, how do you ensure student engagement and inclusion in campus activities? I mean, it's important to get students involved and make them feel like they are part of the team. So, being a part of multiple society, how you ensure it?
Well, honestly, these activities are always voluntary. All the students that come and they want to participate, they are not, bound by anything. They come with their own interests. So I've never had a hard time with, convincing them to work because they're already convinced, they're already motivated. My job is just to maybe oversee their work and try to somehow polish their work. Yeah.
Thank you, Sam, for sharing your expertise and experiences with us. And your contribution to our university, it has a significant impact. And we are grateful for your dedication. We hope to see you again here. Would you like to say something at hand?
Thank you so much, Alicia. I had a good time and I'm very glad that you people are making such initiatives. And especially I would like to mention, you are the newsletter team and you people are doing a great job. And I'm sure that in future, you guys will take it to the next level.
Yes.